Hi, this is Stacy, and in this clip I will show you how to make an old photo birthday card. The materials are an old picture, scissors, tape, markers, and construction paper. I recommend finding a picture of the person you are giving the card to, then scan it into your computer and make it look vintage by making it look grainy and making it black and white. Now with your picture, you can either cut it or you can tear it, and I've decided to tear it. Tearing it makes it a little more vintage look. Now you're going to take your paper and fold it in half. And we're going to tape our picture on there. I'm just going to fold some pieces of tape so you can't see the tape. And tape that on, and you might need to add a few more pieces of tape. Now you're going to open up your card, and now you can think of a catchy phrase to go with your photo. For example, don't throw a tantrum, it's just another birthday. And you can write that anywhere on this side, and then you can decorate and write any other notes you'd like to. Now your old photo birthday card is complete.